Detailed review of the Cuisinart ICE-21 ice cream maker. Introduction. Ice cream is one of the most beloved desserts in the world, and making homemade ice cream is a fun and rewarding experience. The Cuisinart ICE-21 is a popular ice cream maker that promises to deliver delicious homemade ice cream in just 20 minutes. In this essay, we will provide a detailed review of the Cuisinart ICE-21, including its features, performance, and overall value. Features. The Cuisinart ICE-21 is a compact ice cream maker that comes with a 1.5-quart mixing bowl, a mixing paddle, and a transparent lid. The mixing bowl is made of double insulated freezer bowl, which ensures that the ice cream freezes evenly and quickly. The mixing paddle is designed to churn the ice cream mixture to the perfect consistency, and the transparent lid allows you to monitor the progress of your ice cream. The ICE-21 also comes with a recipe book that includes a variety of ice cream, sorbet, and frozen yogurt recipes. The ice cream maker is easy to assemble and disassemble, making it easy to clean and store. The ICE-21 also has a simple on/off switch, which makes it easy to operate. Performance. The Cuisinart ICE-21 has a powerful motor that churns the ice cream mixture quickly and efficiently. The mixing paddle is designed to move in a way that ensures that the ice cream mixture is evenly churned, resulting in a smooth and creamy texture. The double insulated freezer bowl freezes the ice cream mixture evenly, resulting in a consistent texture throughout the ice cream. The ICE-21 has a capacity of 1.5 quarts, which is enough to make approximately 6 servings of ice cream. The ice cream maker takes approximately 20 minutes to churn the ice cream mixture, which is faster than many other ice cream makers on the market. Value. The Cuisinart ICE-21 is a great value for its price. It is an affordable ice cream maker that delivers consistent and delicious results. The ICE-21 is easy to use and clean, making it a great option for beginners and experienced ice cream makers alike. The ICE-21 also comes with a recipe book that includes a variety of recipes, making it easy to experiment with different flavors and combinations. The ICE-21 is also durable and reliable, with many users reporting that their ice cream maker has lasted for years with consistent use. The ICE-21 is covered by a 3-year limited warranty, which provides peace of mind for users. Performance in detail. The Cuisinart ICE-21 is a great performer when it comes to making ice cream. Its powerful motor churns the mixture efficiently, resulting in a smooth and creamy texture. The mixing paddle is designed to reach the sides of the bowl, ensuring that all the mixture is churned evenly. This results in consistent texture and flavor throughout the ice cream. The double insulated freezer bowl freezes the mixture evenly, ensuring that the ice cream is not too hard or too soft. It takes about 20 minutes to churn the mixture, which is faster than many other ice cream makers on the market. This is a great feature for those who want to make ice cream quickly. The ICE-21 has a capacity of 1.5 quarts, which is enough to make approximately 6 servings of ice cream. This is a great size for small gatherings or for those who want to make ice cream for their family. However, for larger gatherings, a bigger ice cream maker with a higher capacity may be more suitable.